Sino wala pa sa sa bahay ni Kuya? Si Benedict wala pa. Pwede sa pwede rin sa browser ng, kahit hindi cellphone, pwede yan sa browser ng computer nyo. Mag-open lang kayo ng bagong window. Pwede yan doon. Mas maganda lang kasi sa cellphone, di ba? Mas interactive. Sino wala pa? Si Sir yung Benny, ako po yun. Okay po. Si wala pa. Si Lord. Okay na si Shane, kapapasok lang. Wait lang po, sir. Sige lang. Wait lang. Nag-wait naman ako dito. Si Cedric di makapasok. Ako, bigyan ng susi. Okay na. Kasi baka mawala tayo sa sa Meet. 1 hour lang kasi ang Google Meet.
Oh.
18 na to. Ilan ba tayo? Ayan, parang halos lahat nandito na. Game na tayo. Ayun na si Morphe. Sino pa wala? Kia, nandito na. Dalian natin. Yung mga avatar nyo, dilat na yung mata sa kakaintay. Nawala na si Lord, hindi na nakapasok. Siya pala yung said. Sorry naman, di ko naman na-comprehend. Pasensya na. Game na tayo. Joaquin, ayun, pumasok na si Joaquin. Okay, let's do this. Ready?
Yes?
Lalako na ha. Lalako na guys ha. Sorry na sa hindi makakasali. Okay, let's start. I-click nyo lang yung choices nyo dyan sa phone nyo or sa computer nyo. Okay? Let's start. Three, two, ready? Question number 1. The esophagus, stomach, and liver are the organs in this body system. 10 seconds lang yan. Ayun na, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time is up. The correct answer is digestive system. May dalawang mali.
Oh my God.
Next. Sino pinakamabilis? Ayan, nangunguna si Cedric na pinakamabilis sumagot. Yung score, wag yun ang pansinin yan ha. Ano lang yan eh. Depende sa bilis ng pagsagot. Okay? So, meron ka ng 884,000 pesos. Next, question number 2. What is the function of this body system? Napapakita yung picture. Ayan, ano function yan? 3, 2, 1, close. And 18 got the correct answer. Dati, sino pinakamabilis? Aba, si Cedric pa rin. 1649 ang score. Umangat na si Riona saka si Althea. Ay, si Fea pala. Next. Question number 3. What is the function of the integumentary system? Correct answer is 10. Correct answer is, red, protection and excretion. So we're talking about the skin. Ayan, umangat na si Riona, bumagsak si Sed ng bonggang-bongga. So umangat si Brian, si Joaquin, si Arjon, at si Thea. Si Thea siguro si Althea. Let's go. Which two systems work together to break down the nutrients and then transport them to the body? So alin dyan na nagtutulungan? To break down the nutrients and transport them to the body. The time is up. At least, ayan, may 7 mali. 7, 8, 9, 11 ang mali. So, correct is digestive and circulatory. Ayan, habol tayo, guys. Ayan ang ating top 5. Next. True or false, the respiratory system provides oxygen needed by all the body cells. Dali lang yan. Correct, kung may 3 pa rin nagkamali, correct answer is true. O, ayan, nanguna na naman si Cedric, sunod si Monina, yan, sumahabol si Russell. Next. True or false, this picture shows the excretory system. Ito may talagang tatlo Excretory system ba yun? Okay, 17 got the correct answer. Ayan. Nanguna pa rin si Cedric. Mayaman na siya ng 4,214 pesos. Char. So, umangat si Arjon, si Teyang, and si Jarod. Umahabol. Next. Made up of the skin, hair, and nails. The correct answer is the integumentary system. Ayan. Ako, number 2 na si Jarod. Minsan depende rin to sa bilis ng internet eh. Ayan. Next si Benedict and Brian. Umangat na rin. Next. Which body system creates the frame that both supports and protects the body? Correct answer is the skeletal system. Ayan, umayangat na si Riona saka si Carl. Ayan, habol tayo guys. Next. Which system works with the skeletal system to provide movement? Okay, so 16 got the correct answer. It's muscular system. Ayan, 4 ang umangat. Si Galerina, si Carl, si Benedict, at si Riona. So it's dominated by grade 12. Si Cedric ayaw patalo. Next. This system functions to create the cells and hormones needed to create offspring. So, ano ang nagke-create ng offspring or yon? Hindi ko na masabi yung sagot. So, the correct answer is reproductive. So, offspring is the young or the baby, okay? Ayan. So, parang sila pa ring 5 ang nag-uunahan. Ang hina ng signal ni Shane. Akyat ka ng puno ng buko o puno ng nyog para lumakas yung signal. Next. Stimulus are received by the brain through sensory receptors. True or false? Ay, very good. 21 got the correct answer. It's true. Ayan. Sila pa rin. Pero umangat na si Jerwin. At number 2 na si Galerina. Next. 3 last questions. The following are chambers of the heart except... The correct answer is the left artery. Sila pa rin ang nasa scoreboard natin. Next. This tissue connects muscle to the bone. Naku, tama ba ako nasagot dito? Ay, tama naman. It's the tendons. Ayan. Umangat na si Jerwin, si Benedict, saka si Riona. Puro grade 11 naman ang dominant. Next. Last 2 questions. The following are transported by the blood except... The correct answer is 17. Got the correct answer. It's feces. Nako, parang alam na natin kung sino ang winner. So, umangat na si Jerwin, nasa 3rd place na. And last question, true or false? Ears and tongues are cartilages. Is it true or false? So, the correct answer is true. So, let's see. What's the top? So, on 3rd place is Galerina. 2nd place is Riona. And the first one is si Cedric. Ayan, congratulations. Ayan, tas pang 4th daw si Car. Hindi ko na nakita yung pang 5th. Okay. Congratulations po. Wait lang, i-off ko lang yung Kahoot kasi may tumutugtog sa utak ko. Ayan. You may, ano ba? You may sashay away. Sige na. Bye-bye. See you next week. Mag-aral mabuti.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. I love you.
Bye.